I am going to show you what we call a sucker punch. And if you're not sure which side to do it on, make sure you check with me. Sometimes we do both sides as well, and we end on one of the sides. So what I want you to do is put a ball or a yoga block or a folded pillow, but something on your left thigh. So we're going to do our left side. So we're going to come into a child's pose with something blocking between our left thigh and our left lower rib cage. Okay, so under your breast, and your knees are going to stay relatively close together. They don't have to be touching, but I don't want it to be a really wide leg child's pose. So you're going to keep your knees together, and you're going to place this ball or whatever you've got in here. This is a deflated Pilates ball, like a half deflated. And then I want you to come forward over that ball. If you feel like it's popping out to the side, just kind of move it. You just want it slightly off of the center, okay? So you're going to roll over this ball. Now, your arms can be wherever they are comfortable. If you want to reach, you can reach. If you just want to kind of let them hang here, let them hang here. But we're lengthening your spine over this ball. And we are just going to take 6 core breaths here. So remember, nice slow inhale for about 6 seconds. Nice slow exhale. And what I want you to feel, because you're blocked, is that on your inhale, you're expanding because the ball is pushing into the front of your rib cage. You're getting some expansion into the back of this rib cage, okay? You want to make sure your hips are not wagging side to side. So if you look at me from the back, I don't want you to be here over the ball. We are lengthening both sides of your body and coming down. So you're going to do 6 breaths in the center. Then you are going to take your hands over to the right, still to maintain pressure on that ball. You're going to do 6 breaths here. Just let your head relax. Make sure you don't have tension in your neck. And then we're going to come this way. This one feels so good to me. And then you're going to do 6 breaths here. Okay, so I'm moving faster than you will, just for the purpose of the video. If you do have neck tension or neck pain in this position, you can put a yoga block here so you can rest your forehead on the yoga block, and that feels really good. I will show you. Whoop. So if you're here in this little child's pose position, you can just bring a yoga block, whatever height feels good, so you can just settle into this position a little bit. Okay, and that is the sucker punch. Sometimes if you have some compression on both sides, I will tell people to do both sides of this. So just go through the sequence again on the other side. But, hi Coda. You want to end on the side you have more compression in, if you know that fact. If you don't worry about it. Or if you want to ask me, reach out. But if you know you have more compression on the left side, do that side second.